What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about Python functions. Before we get started, we're getting really close to 50 subscribers. So please subscribe and share this video to as many people as possible. And let's get right into the video. So basically, what is a function in Python? A function in Python is similar to a math function. And in a math function, you give an x value, and it does stuff to the x value and returns a y value. So that's similar to what you can do in Python. So the syntax for a function in Python is you have to write def to define the function here. And then you can put the name of the function. We can say add 2. And then we put parentheses. And inside the parentheses, we gotta pass our parameters, or basically what input we want to take. So here we can say x, and then put a colon here. And we want to add 2 to x. So we can say y equals x plus 2. And then finally, we gotta have an output. We need to return x to the program. So we are gonna type in return y. So now we have the y value here. So to basically run this function, you gotta call the function. So we can call it by putting the function name, and then putting the parentheses, and then putting what we want to pass in for x. So we can just say 9. And then we save this, and once we run this, it shouldn't do anything. The reason being is returning a value does not print that value. So if we want to print it, we can just wrap it in a print function, and then it should print 11. There we go. So you can do many more things with this. You can have a second function saying def. We can do subtract 2. And then we can put our parentheses, and then we can put our x, colon, and then inside we can say y is equal to x minus 2 here. And then we can return our y, return y, and then you can run the subtract 2. So we can say subtract 2, and then we can pass in 9 again, and we can wrap this in a print function right here, and then this should give us 7. And there we go, it prints 7 down here. And also you can run the same function twice. So here, I'm just going to comment this line of code out. We can run add 2 twice, and we can change this to 11. So here it should print 11 and then 13. There we go. So you can have as many functions as you want in any program, and you can call the function as many times as you want. So a good practice problem to solve using functions is you can try to make a calculator, and the parameters you could pass is you could pass a parameter of the first number, the second number, and then the operator, and then return the corresponding number based on the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So that's just how you can practice this function in Python. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and once again, please subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video.